Hello friends, welcome to another Salesforce training videos. In this video we will see another example of maps. So what are maps? As you know, maps they can have key and value pairs. So the first one is key and second one is value. For that, let's go to developer console, and then I have created an example for you today. So we will see. As you know, we have our class, and this is public and class, and then we have class name map example. You can give any name here and then open curly braces and our class, and then we have a subclass here, public static. As you know, we don't have here example of here we either we have data type or we can have void. So we don't have void, we have data type, and our return will be map. It is data types. We have maps and we have integer and two integers. And then we have our method name, map method, and then here we have integer and until which number, like how many numbers, until when our number will increase. So we will have that key value. So and in this, now we are going to create a map which is empty, having an empty value. Nothing is in our map. And then in our map, we are going to create for each value, we are going to add put value in our map. So if to add a value to the map, we don't have add method, we have put method. So this is our for loop, and integers starting from, can start from 1, can start from like 2, 3, let's say write 3, and then it small or equals to n, and this n value we will put in our method when we are debugging, and then it will increase 1 1, okay, like adding 1. So an add map what put, and we have first value, it is I, like integer first one, and this is for second value. This can be multiplication, can be addition, doesn't matter, as you want, okay. And then here our for loop, let's see how it will show. I can put here like a system debug, then after we create, if you create like this, then you will see how it will look like. Let me create system debug. I will just comment out this part up to here, okay. Now that's it, and then I will see here system debug, system.debug map list. Let's put a system map list, and then put plus here, and then I. Missing return statement. This can stay up to here because our value must return, right? So let's see, it will go. Now we have our here anonymous window. what we need to have here, need to have class name, right? And then dot, we need to have our method name because it is not static value, control C, and then we need to write until 10, and then let's see what will happen. Just debug only. You see value we have 1, 4, 9, 16. Sorry, because I didn't save this part. It's supposed to be, I add here. So just save it and then execute once again. Now it must be plus, you see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every time I add 1. Right? Every time here I add 1. Now I will erase this part. I will not comment out this one. Now the second part is that if what we do here, another for each loop. If you want to see them in below of each other, again we create a for loop A, and this is for loop. We value we all they come like one by one, and from 1 to 10. It was 10, right? 1 to 10. Only I. But here for integer A, like integer data value, and in this list take A one by one. So A is in map A. Map A is what? We have value from like map A has value of 1, 1 and 1 times 1, 1. 1 second, 2, 2 times 2, 2. So we have our map. In our map, we have key set. If you write key set, then you will have the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then, and our I will be 1, 1, 1, and map A get A. If you write get, then it will get the value of this one. So let's see what happens now. Look, map list 1. We have list 3. We need to save it. And then execute. Debug only. You see, if you write key set, you have 3. Then get value of that get value of this key set, it will return to the second one. This one. This is key set. This is get. Because in this for loop we have A. A is what? It in map A key set. Key set is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to it is starting from 3. But and get, it is the value of the, for example, when you get 3 and the value of this key is 9. Let's see, where is our developer console? The last one, let's see. Oh, sorry, I close. Just debug and then see once again. You see, I made actually plus. The first one is my key value, key, and second one is value. So if you want to get 3, then uh, you need to write key set. So you get key ones one by one, and then beside that a, and then we have get, and it will return to the value. So in this way you can do you know, like pairs, and just an example of map. So I hope you have learned something new. Thank you very much.